Ceed Hybrid 2021. The high voltage battery disconnecting. How to and where to find it. First, I want to show you that the battery of the hybrid car mostly located under the seat behind the driver all the way, and some cars you can disconnect it right here on the side or left or right side when you take out the seat. But in this Ceed Hybrid 2021, it's located right there in the trunk behind the seat. This is the 12 volt. I've already disconnected the 12 volt, and the hybrid is right under here. Here, you just disconnect it, but you can slide this. Take this out, and you have access to disconnect it. When you disconnect this, you have to wait for at least 5 to 15 minutes for the energy to drain out all of this electricity. And then if you have some kind of tool, just test it if there is a voltage or something like this. The reason why the engine breaks down like this, as you see, there's a connecting rod. It's broken from inside, and then it will hit the engine and will break it like that. This is the connecting rod. Here it sticks out. The connecting rod is coming out from the engine when it's broken because of the speed of the crankshaft. The crankshaft is spinning so fast, and when the connecting rod is broken, it will hit the engine and break the engine. That bad.